Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Traefik dashboard and health endpoints, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify the Traefik dashboard and health endpoints, first, ensure that Traefik is properly installed and configured on your system. Open a terminal window and check if Traefik is running by executing the command to list the active Docker containers. Look for the Traefik container in the list and confirm that it is up and running. Next, open your web browser and enter the URL for the Traefik dashboard. The default URL is typically http://localhost 8080/dashboard/. If you have configured a different port, replace 8080 with your specific port number. Once the dashboard loads, you should see an overview of your services and routers. If the dashboard does not load, double-check your Traefik configuration file for potential errors. Verify that the dashboard is enabled in the configuration by looking for the API section. Ensure it includes the dashboard option set to true. To access health endpoints, you need to enable the health check feature in your configuration file. In the same configuration file, locate the service definition. Add a health check route under the service definition if it isn't already present. For example, you can set a health check interval and timeout. After making these changes, restart the Traefik container to apply the new settings. Open a new browser tab and enter the health check endpoint URL. This is typically in the format of http://localhost 8080/health. If configured correctly, you should see a response that indicates the status of your services. If the health check endpoint does not return the expected results, revisit the configuration to debug. Check logs for any errors that might prevent the dashboard or health endpoints from functioning. Utilize curl or Postman to test the health endpoint directly from the terminal or API client for more detailed responses. With these steps, you should now have a functional Traefik dashboard and health endpoints verified and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.